Hello, I am Sunayam Sharma, a nature writer and photographer. I am a former member of the prestigious Indian Forest Services, and wildlife management is the key area of my expertise. As director of Sariska Tiger Reserve and Kevladev National Park, Bharatpur of India, I contributed significantly for their betterment and also authored books for these reserves. Well, after my superannuation also, I continued to support this pious cause of wildlife nature conservation. Dear friends, in my last video, I shared the motive behind creation of this channel. It is to generate genuine interest among the amateurs, the wildlife enthusiasts about the wilderness, and to inculcate a kind of love and respect for the nature and the wild inhabitants. Well, today I shall like to share a little bit about the basic knowledge on the functioning of the forest department that may help in understanding the forest and enjoying the wilderness in a more meaningful way. Well, as far as the administrative part is concerned, the entire forest of India is divided into various divisions headed by senior forest officers called DCFs and DFOs, the divisional forest officers. These divisions may be at par with the revenue districts or even smaller or larger, the revenue districts which are headed by district collectors. And again, for further administration, these divisions are distributed into ranges headed by range forest officers, alike the tehsildars of the revenue department. And these ranges are divided into circles, popularly known as nakas, headed by foresters and head guards. And last unit is the beat, which is headed by beat guards. Well, our forests, they are loaded with innumerable problems, chiefly from the people who are living inside and the people who are living on the periphery. They have loaded our parks with these problems. They've exploited the forest and are exploiting the forest beyond the carrying capacity of these jungles. That is the chief problem. Now, the problem is they fell and remove trees, grasses, minor forest produce, and also at places, several of them indulge into poaching of the wild animals for their pots as well as for making money through sale proceeds of his skins, bones, skeletons, horns, and whatnot. Well, protection of these precious open forest areas and our wildlife wealth is the chief job of these forest personnel. I understand with these problems every day, their jobs are becoming tougher and tougher, though there are acts and rules in place. But the problem is the innumerable constraints and hurdles in their way. Yet, the job has its own adventure thrill, which I have experienced myself during my working for good 40 years in these jungles, in the wildlife areas. Friends, in my next video, I shall like to share with you few more aspects of this environment, especially pertaining to the protection and development of our precious nature wealth. Thank you.